This is a time-lapse series of still images taken from 15 drone mapping flights of the Margaret's Place Hospice. These dates range from before construction in October 2019 until July 24 of 2020. First date is before any construction, October 10, 2019. Next date to fly was February 24, 2020. Followed by March 5th. Followed by April 8th. Followed by April 16th. Then on April 22nd. Then again on April 27th. Again, May 6th. May 13th. May 29th. Followed by a flight on June 12th. Then on June 25th. Then on July 9th. July 20th. And the last date of this series, July 24th. This has been Roger Sturman of Spectrum Aerial. Thank you for watching.